This is the trunk lid of the HS250h. So with the old gas struts, which have not been replaced, at about this height, the door neither rises nor lowers. The point at which any assistance continues to push the door upward is near the very end of its travel, if at all. There, at that point. So it's not even worth measuring the height with a tape measure. It's only when it's got a few inches remaining. Whereas the height at which the door will close itself is just about here. And that's worth measuring with a tape measure. It's just about at that point. So what have I got? 115 centimeters off the ground. So with the new struts installed, my first impression is that the behavior is not incredibly different than before. So from here, it pulls with quite a lot of force. With here, pulls with quite a lot of force. Okay, I was wrong. It's actually quite different behavior. Down to here, it's pulling itself open. That seems like possibly the middle point at which it doesn't move. So let's measure this. The length of the lip from the ground is now, looks like 133 centimeters. And now lowering a little bit further, the point at which it starts to close itself. And I'm not going to let it slam because I've still got these rubber bumpers removed. I'm going to investigate that separately. The point at which it very slowly starts to lower itself is about here, which is, looks like 97 or 98 centimeters. Okay, so I would say that's probably a difference. And there we go with the gas struts.